Yeah, Scotland Yard, this is Inspector Sledge Hammer from one of the countries you lost. I need some information.
Isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah, I need the identity of a cat burglar who might be working the West Coast.
Ah, well, there's everyone. It's so funny. In real, an armed, dangerous, goes to shoot up.
Okay, thank you. Yes, absolutely, and nice talking to you. All I could get out of him was Henry Ill, whatever that means.
Well, the inspector obviously had a Cockney accent. He meant Henry Hill.
Very impressive linguistic skills, Jerome.
Dankeschön.
Nee, dada.
Well, there's only relatives. No cost of relatives. Henry Ill.
He says the description fits Ill. I mean Hill.
Are you sure?
He described him perfectly, except for the tire tracks on his chest.
Find out if Hill worked alone.
Did Ill ever work alone?
That's a laugh. Work alone. No, he never worked alone. No.
Never worked alone. Why can't the English learn to speak like us Americans?
Got an idea.